Hi and welcome to this video from 10 Locksmiths. So today we're going to have a look at an in-depth video, a couple of videos about making keys to a Holden Cruze. I'd also like to give a shout out to the new subscribers. Just reached 104 subscribers. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video, and there's more to come. Cheers, thanks for watching. So we're going to make keys to this Holden Cruze. It's an all keys lost situation. Looks like somebody has tried to go down the door to open it. It is unlocked. So we'll make keys to this Holden Cruze. It's nice and interior, 2010. And we'll make sure it's got a battery in it. Alright, let's get into it. So we're just picking the lock and then we'll decode it. So now we've got the key made. There's the key. We've got a remote key to also give him, and we're going to program in a new key. Turn it on. Ignition is on. All doors are closed. Okay. All doors are closed. Oh, sorry Darren, I need the doors closed. Yeah, we've got a 10-minute wait time.
The sun is on the sun.
Okay, so the key that was programmed is actually the remote key. So this PCF 7936 didn't program in. The remote key does work. So what we'll do is we'll open and close the door, press the button, lock, unlock. We'll start the car. The security light, doing a test, everything is off. So that's fine. Okay, well that concludes the video. So cut a long story short, you have to use the remote key to actually program in a key to the car. I tried to give them the spare key, just wouldn't work, so that was it. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.